One of the things we talk about on Remodel Revolution is how to save you money. And one of the things that you can find in pretty much all the big stores, the big hardware stores and paint stores, is the Oops paint. I'm in Home Depot right now, and I wanted to show you. This is their Oops paint rack that they have. Now, sometimes you'll find all kinds of stuff. This is kind of limited right now, but with the scarcity of paint in some parts of the country and things like that, this is really not a bad place to start and save you a ton of money, because a lot of times this will come out at a fraction of the price of the regular gallon of paint. This is obviously colors that were mixed. They were mixed wrong, or the client decided they didn't want them or whatever. So check out those Oops paint aisles if you're going to paint like one room or one wall or something and you're not real concerned about the color. Check it out.